Hi, today we are going to see how to make puffed rice snack. This is a very simple and an easy recipe. The required ingredients are a bowl of puffed rice, 1 cup of peanuts, half a cup of roasted gram or lentils, 1/4 cup of coconut slices. I have added a picture of the roasted gram for those of you who do not know what roasted gram is, and some curry. I have taken chili powder, some turmeric and salt to taste. Now I've taken oil in a pan. When oil is hot, I'm adding the peanuts. I'm going to roast the peanuts. Be careful, do not burn it. Nor should it turn golden brown, but it should be crunchy. So I want you to assess. Now I'm going to transfer the peanuts onto a plate. Now I'm adding the coconut slices in the same oil and I'm roasting them. Removing the coconut slices, transferring them to the same plate. Now I'm adding the roasted gram and I'm going to roast them. By the way, the oil that I've used is olive oil. I forgot to mention that before. Now I'm transferring the roasted gram onto the same plate. In the same oil, I'm adding some turmeric powder. To this, I'm adding the curry leaves. Be careful, the curry leaves will splutter all over the place. Now I'm transferring the curry leaves also onto the same plate. To this oil, now I'm adding the puffed rice. And I'm just giving it a mix. To this, I'm going to add the chili powder. It should be crunchy. I'm just trying to show that how crunchy it is. The chili powder added according to your spice level. Give it a mix. Now I'm adding all the roasted items onto the puffed rice, giving it a mix. Now finally I'm adding the salt. And mixing it all together, and your snack is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. I want you to try it out and post your feedback. Thank you.